The tax season will soon be upon us again, and there are a few new things to consider this time around.
TV6's Nick Brennan tells us about preparing for this year's tax season in tonight's Consumer Watch.
Any investment in
Interactions like this between tax preparers and tax filers are quite common during tax season, but they're not a tax filer's only viable option for figuring out their figures. Patrick Thompson, a certified public accountant, says tax filing software such as TurboTax and HR Block are ideal for those with simple tax situations, but meeting with a tax professional is preferable for anything more complex.
Tax professionals have better software, and we're also available year-round for any questions, and we also can walk you through more of the complicated tax issues you may have.
One big issue facing taxpayers this year is the Affordable Care Act, commonly known as Obamacare. A tax preparer with HR Block of Marquette says the act is going to literally add a new layer to an already tedious process.
if anyone has purchased insurance through either a federal or state marketplace, they are going to receive a new form in the mail this year, a 1095A, and it's supposed to be in the mail by January 31st.
As a reminder, Vic says that even though some income may not be taxable, all of it must be documented. And though the end of tax season isn't until April, Thompson says it's always better to pay your taxes sooner rather than later.
A lot of times if you wait till the last minute, there may be an extension required, which could run into some potential penalties and interest. So the sooner you get it in, the sooner we can turn around and get it back to you.
The IRS opens for tax season on January 20th. Tax season ends at midnight on April 15th. Nick Brennan, TV6 News, Marquette.